Joaquim Redulme reflects on the impact of winning the inaugural Phyla in 2024.
Winning the first Phyla had an impact on three levels for me. My mindset shifted from local projects to stewarding institutions, knowing that recognition also comes with responsibility and scrutiny. Organizationally, the grant allowed Project Blue Philippines, my organization, to invest in research and development. We improved our plastic bottle eco products such as the Sustainable, Akon Lifesaver, and Aqua Cage. And we are positioning these eco solutions for wider deployment. And since then, we have upcycled more than tens of thousands of plastic bottles, supported livelihood in coastal communities, and we position the organization to scale our work to the Visayas and Mindanao. Finally, for my personal advocacy, Phyla gave credibility. It opened doors to national and global policy spaces, such as the UN World Summit for Social Development, where I carried community-grounded youth perspectives